Rejuvi has two eye products, one cream and one gel. Now the first one I'm going to speak about is one of the best eye products on the market, and it's the Rejuvi eye gel. It is amazing for dark circles and puffiness. And I want to show you this texture. You need a very small amount, and you do need to put your eye product in a complete circle around the eye. So you're putting it up underneath the eyebrow bone and it's going in a complete circle. Now, if you're someone, which a lot of people do get puffy under the eyes, you want to make sure that you're taking your eye gel out this way underneath. So you're taking it away from your tear ducts. This here's the texture of the eye gel. Very, very nice, very soothing, very cooling. It's got the ALA in it, the alpha lipoic acid, and it's very soothing and calming and hydrating. A lot of gels are not hydrating. This one is amazing. It's the product I use. I absolutely love it. And it's just an amazing eye product. So this jar will last you a really long time using it twice a day. That's the eye gel. The other one is the eye cream, a really nice, soothing cream. And this one, if you tend to be someone who gets really dehydrated around the eye area, this is a really nice eye cream for you. Again, it's a brightener. It's something that you should put in a complete circle around your eye, not on the eyelid, but up underneath the eyebrow bone. And again, a very, very nice light cream, hydrating, really nice, not too heavy. You don't want to be putting anything too heavy around the eyes because you can end up with little milias. So you don't want things that are too occlusive. You want your skin still to be able to breathe, but you do need hydration there. So we have the two products, the eye gel and the eye cream, and both are absolutely excellent. But as I said, my favorite is the eye gel. Huge seller of our line.